The next machine I'm going to cover is the Hammer Strength MTS Abdominal Crunch. This is a great exercise that will involve the upper and lower portions of your abdominals. With this, my seat adjustment does require two hands. I take my off hand, and I'm going to secure with a seat, while my other hand will find the lever here. So as I do them simultaneously, if I lift one, I can adjust this. So ultimately, this lower back pad should be sitting on my lower back, and my shoulder blades and upper back will set here. If I do this properly, I will have a little bit of space between my handles and the shoulder. My weights are selected here. There is a 5-pound increment weight. If I disengage this, then it's just that 5-pound increment. If I don't need it, put it back in its top spot. From here, notice how I put my feet behind the pad. What this does is this allows you to engage your lower abs into the exercise. Now the trick with doing this is I want to start the exercise with my lowers and then follow with my uppers. We'll see if I can show. Okay, so right now I can feel that lower back pad in my lower back. There is separation between my shoulders and my hands. From here I want to try to get my shoulder blades or upper back on the top pad. What this does is this stretches my abs. Okay, whenever we work out, we want to stretch the muscle and then contract the muscle. So right now I'm stretching the muscle. And then the trick is start with my lowers and then follow my uppers. So I'm going to start with lowers, follow the uppers. This puts me in a crunch position. Okay? And then I disengage without slamming the weights. Lowers, follow with the uppers. Stretch, contract. As I start feeling more comfortable in this, I can involve my breathing pattern, which is breathe out, in, contract, and in. Contract,